1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay. We're back at this again. So, good day, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy another day that we're going live, right? So, it's been a busy week. If I'm not mistaken, we've gone every single day this week, right? So we've been live since we've been going live since this Monday, right? Pretty much every day that I've gotten back. And today is a very interesting stream where we're being hit with NFP release. And NFP is something that I very much enjoy. I very much enjoyed how bad it is. I very much enjoyed how many people get destroyed, how many people lose their accounts on a day like this. And I'm just happy to be here. I'm just happy to see what the market gives us, and I'm very happy not to participate in it at all, because I've learned my lessons throughout the time, and I've learned in a bad way that this is a day that you don't want to touch the price and you don't want to participate in it, right? Let me log out from my trade await, so I don't do anything foolish. You saw a little bit of balance. This is my main trading account right now. 7K on a 50K account last since April 1st. What is it percentage-wise to do? 14% already. Good enough for me, right? So 14% up, and then very simple. I'm not changing my bias. I'm still looking for dollar to continue higher, euro and USD, GU, USD, and everybody else to go lower. So we're gonna see if we get something like this dealt with right now. Invert that 1 hour for value gap and just release us higher, right? It's gonna be interesting to see. Otherwise, I don't have much that I'm noting on dollar index. We're trading below midnight as well here. Euro USD pushing higher with these, which is beautiful. I love this. Buy side is gonna get taken. This is the level that I'm interested in. I'm interested in this hourly for value gap to hold in the price. Maybe we dig deeper into the daily for value gap right here. Midpoint is somewhere around that there, right? But I'm gonna be very interested to see lower prices still. And let's maybe go into what makes me wrong right away, right? So where would I ever be wrong in terms of looking for lower prices on Euro USD? Since I'm not trading today, I'm not interested, right? It's in FP, 7 minutes from now. If this Friday closes above this sell side level, if this Friday closes above this weekly fair value gap, my bias is wrong. And I'm gonna literally admit it in front of you guys right now. And I'm gonna admit it overall that if we close above this sell side liquidity resting below, my bias for lower prices on euro is failing, and I'm gonna switch it. Very, very simple, right? So continuously watch this. Gonna be interesting to see what kind of cards we're gonna be dealt with in 5 minutes, and I'm right away jumping into let's not skip it. Let's go into GU. I'm not too keen on. Nothing fancy is happening here. Exactly the same setup as we had on Euro USD. Maybe let's note that hourly for value gap still on Euro USD. Okay. We got it. Okay. Euro is USD, exactly the same idea. 1 hour for value gap here, kind of still supporting the price. Run towards buy stops resting above. How far do we go? I think this is gonna be a top 12,500. 12,500. Saying it out loud again. So watch that. Otherwise, everything above this is bearish. Is bullish. If we fall below and invert it at what? At what? At 9 p.m. Right? 9 p.m. New York time makes this a lot more interesting. And let's jump right into indices. The part that we all gathered for, right? I don't care about forex this year. Is just way too annoying, way too nasty to be dealing with. Indices are the most precise markets at the moment. These are the markets that I'm trading right now. So let's do that. Let me open another window of chart. down below. Still have 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start digging into this real quick. But let me do my prep work here. I want every single monitor to have a chart in front of me, and when I'm able to do that, I'm able to give you insights. Right? I'm able to talk about price, delivering price, pushing one way or another because I see everything that I want to see. Hello, Thomas. Boss is in the house, huh? No, I'm kidding. I'm in good mood. We're having an awesome week. I'm 14% up. 1-4, that is. Not 1, not 4. 1-4. 14. Which is muy bien. Right? The only issue is that I have to withdraw it. But that's another. That's a story for guys in Discord, right? You can laugh at me, but it is what it is, I guess, right? So, let's see. Indices on 1 hour chart. 4 minutes to go. I'm not too keen on the price pushing any higher. Like, if very honestly with you guys, like I still want sell side to be taken, and I don't want to see the price moving higher. Do it just rock and roll lower from where we are at. 14%, yeah, man. On that 50K account, I'm 7,000 up, so that's 7 times 2, which gives me 14%. That it's just stupid. It's just silly, man. But I can't do much about it. So yeah, you know the story. You know, I made too much money that I can't withdraw now, which is just it's sorry, but it's just insane, right? Anywho, 1 hour marked, 15 minutes. This is interesting, right? Had it from the other day. Not from the other day, from London when I did my markups, right? Watch this. Let's just open up 15 minutes chart. We have clean sell side. Oh, triple low here. So NQ. Oh, sorry. Yes. Right away. My eyesight goes here. I'm interested. NQ not too much, but I'm just gonna note it as sell side. Right. So if I go short, I want to go short on ES because ES looks juicy. Juicy. Right? You need a little bit more, around 4% more. I know, man. I'm in such a bad position. I need 1,000, and I actually took an Excel sheet and I calculated everything. I need $1,090 more on this account to push it through, which is just annoying. But it is what it is. It's fine. It's okay. I'm gonna survive, right? Yeah, I'm ready to go. I have every single thing that I need. Just because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monitors in front of me, so I have everything that I need. I have bonds on here. I have you guys right in front of me. I have dollar here. I have my trading account right here. I have Euro USD on this monitor, and I have chat right here. So 6 monitors. Life of a streamer, right? Life of a guy who is trading full time and tries to do it in front of other people, let's say. Holy macaroni. 1 more minute to go. I'm excited. I want to see this rip. I want to see it go. It's gonna be fun, right? Alright. So, I don't see much. I like sell stuff below. Do we go there immediately? Yes, we can. Do we go there later down the line? Oh, yes, we can. No, we didn't, which is cool. So let's see what we get. No SMTs just yet. Bam. Straight for the new week opening gap. Straight to the upside. Let's see. I want to start watching other markets right away. So where are we looking to stop now, right? Dollar index just annihilated everything, right? But it looks to be trading into that order block we noted a while ago, right here, right? I want this market to stop right here. I would love to see that. Because otherwise we're just gonna literally fill the whole monthly fair value gap right here, which is just too boring. I don't want to see that. Otherwise, NFP push to the upside. Cool. Cool. So now I would be interested to see the market kind of starting to top, right? If it doesn't, not much you can do about this, right? But would become quite reasonable for it to top because I want to trade it later, right? That's what I'm trying to say now is that if it doesn't top, we won't have any possibilities to trade it later today because we're gonna be in a massive premium, right? So we want it to top. Top on NQ possibly 179880. 179880 possibility, right? Watch it. Keyword. Watch it. We're not trading. We're not interested in trading at all. We're interested in watching, right? This is good. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,000 accounts blown. I love this stuff, man. You know why I love this? Because if people would be smart, let's say, right? People wouldn't trade this. And there would be liquidity for us to work with. And now people are stupid, people trade this, people risk, people gamble. Anybody has a position open right now, you're gambling. Whether you're an informed investor, whether you're a professional trader, whether you're looking to enter one position per year and hold it for a year. You have anything opened right now, you're gambling. Simply because you have no fucking idea what is gonna happen down here and here, right? You don't know. Now, we're gonna wait it out. We're gonna wait it out. We're gonna allow some structure to build. We're gonna know what the chart is gonna do. How? Because we're just gonna wait for a right time in the day, right? Time, price, algorithmic delivery, like probability trading. This is what we do day in, day out. Let's see. Forex. We haven't seen such a strong NFP really in a while though. You know, we've not gotten. I'm just watching if we're gonna start building it, something like that. But literally, so right now, another 15 minutes. You're not interested in this. You need to see structure, right? Just like we traded it yesterday. We allowed some structure to build in, and we want to start participating. But we only do that when we know what the chart is gonna deliver, right? We don't do this random. Sorry for the blow. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Hope it wasn't too annoying. Um, Okay. Sorry about that. We're just looking at a few things. We have an SMT right away, right? Present. And Q creating higher highs while the ES is failing to do that. Lovely. Is that an entry? Whew. You wish. You wish. Can you trade this? On paper you could. Can I? Nope. But we have to see if DS is gonna leave this open or not. So makes it a little bit more difficult. Right? So previous day high taken, push to the upside, bum. I said resting above. And then afterwards we have these bad boys. Right? Something we can work with. Definitely. Too bad we pushed so high, though. I don't like this. This is a little bit too high for me. I wanted the market to remain a little bit calmer so we could trade this. Right? Now it's a little bit untradable because of how high we just went. It also depends on where we close in the next 24 minutes, right? On an hourly. It will depend a lot on that. But at the time, it's just a little bit too much for me. But we're gonna see. Buy side resting above 17988.0. Remember what I just mentioned 5 minutes ago, right? So, buy stops taken. We might even get an inversion setup right here, right there. If you do, I'm in. Vamos. Right away. Possible inversions. Possible. Only. But I want to see more structure. It's just a little bit too fast. A little bit too quick. But if the market says, yeah, come to Papa, why not then, right? But I want to see more structure, a lot more, to really start working with this, right? Can you just go short here if this gets inverted? Yes, you can. Is this very incredibly risky? Yes, it is. It's insane how you can do that. Stop loss is very minimal. Let's see. Do we get a chance here or not? I think we might. We did. Am I taking this? No. Thank you. Not interested. But why not? You just talked about this and this is just way too risky for me. I'm not interested in that. Simple. I want a high probability setup that I know what it's gonna do, how it's gonna perform, and where it's gonna draw the market in. Is it a trade that you can take just for statistical reasons because the risk reward is good enough? Yes, you can. Now, why? Because there's not only an inversion, there's a fair value gap next to it built in, right? How long do you hold it? You'll hold it until the new week opening gap. Simple. I need to charge my laptop, so I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay? Just give me 1 second, okay? And I'm back. How quick was that? Let me charge my laptop. 1 second. So far, not too shabby. We're building in some structure, right? Am I happy with this possible trade entry? Nope. I want to see speed. I want to see action, right? So far, we're not getting that. So far, we are not getting that. Bum, bum, bum. This is very simple though. If you're in a trade, it's a very simple action plan for you. You want to close it as soon as it starts closing above the price that we're looking at to hold it in, right? Very, very simple. Get it wick through like it's wicking right now. Easy. You don't care about that. You don't mind. Why it's not moving too... Why it's not moving our way, the way we want it, because NQ is not intact in a way. You want NQ closing below this together with the ES, and we're just not getting that. Sadly we're not. But if that would happen, that would be awesome. That would be lovely. Good. What you want to do now is you want to see whether the price closes below, and if the price gives you an opportunity to see if a val gap built it, right? If that happens, that's beautiful. You have something to work with. You can remove the risk and all that good stuff, right? So we want to see this fair value gap built in now, right? It would be very good that we get the, no, we didn't. Funny enough, right? We didn't get a fair value gap, but what we have is an inversion confirmed on NQ, right? So continue watching it again. We're not risk free. If you're in a trade, you're still dealing with that stop loss, right? But you don't want the price pushing up too high. I'm happy that we're building in structure. I'm happy with what I'm seeing right now. This is something that we are gonna be able to work with later down the line. So we have a fair value gap here on NQ, right? So I'm gonna kind of trust NQ getting in sync with the S, and I'm gonna kind of say to myself now that if NQ closes above this fair value gap, I'm not interested in holding on to a short on ES, right? So watch this fair value gap on NQ and kind of trust that you're gonna see exactly the same happening on ES, right? And so far so good. So far so good. You want the price just kind of staying below 17,924 on closing base. Makes our life very, very easy if we get it. Can this happen? Easily. What you're looking at is you're looking at the price and closing base, right? We're not interested in it closing only lower, only lower. And then you go, let's go, right? Nah, I'm not gonna get excited about this. 10 more seconds. If this closes above it, you're just giving way. You said, okay, fuck it. I tried. I lost on commission. I went break even. Who cares, right? We're gonna go again next. Right? But you're conceding. You're not interested in this. Bam. Oh, sorry. Why? Because NQ literally just closed above this fair value gap. We're taking the risk off. We're waiting for another position. So hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy how precise the markets are delivering even after the NFP release, right? Good. Let's see now. Let's continue watching. Let's continue reading the price. Did it actually close above it though? Yeah, it did. It did. Can it go lower? Yes, it can. Is it twice as risky as it used to be? No? Yes, it is. So, not much more I can add. Good. Mm-hmm. Just what forex and what forex is doing. Forex is just slowly going lower. That's the price that I hate the most. So let me show you around. This is the minis. No, yeah. Dollar is just kind of going higher without any structure. EU doing the same. GU doing the same. This is just boring. Too bad, man. It is what it is anyway. It's fine. Again, can we go lower from here? Easily. There's no issues with that at all. You see how we just got it inverted on Nasdaq? You don't want to be in this at all. No. Nasdaq is kind of giving you a possibility to go long here. Right? Yes. Which one do you trust? Right? It's literally now a toss, a 50-50. Yes, it's saying, okay, I can still go lower. Nasdaq is saying, okay, I'm gonna push higher. Which one do you trust? I don't trust neither. I'm just gonna wait this out. And I'm gonna literally just stay calm and wait. And I'm gonna execute once I see something. It can't get any simpler than that. Huh? Just like I said, 50-50. This is a toss. Can we work with 50-50s? On paper, you can. You easily can. Not for me. No, thank you. I'm just not interested. Nope. For value gap again. Can we just consolidate back and forth with ease? Easily. Do we just want to wait it out? Yes, please. That's what we're gonna do. So, one break-even position so far. And Q is just, let's call it pure. Let's say it's pure. Let's be nice. Pure, but it's a bit pure. Are we an hour way too early to look for entries? Yes, we are. Right? Want to enter the markets after 10 a.m. New York time. It's just a bit far away. But, yep. This is a week, right? This is a daily. Just let me check if I'm right. Yeah, daily, weekly. So daily we can just remove. Right? Um, mhm. I'm probably just gonna have to let it go in a way. Allow the market to show its hand. Allow the market to create even more structure. Because the fact that I don't like that dollar kind of started pushing lower, allowing forex bounce up. So in understanding that, the bicep resting above still can be attacked, right? We're gonna have to look at it a little bit closer. It'll be interesting to see though. But yeah, so far nothing too interesting for me at least. Took one position and I took the risk off now, right? Nothing too interesting. We're building a lot of sell side below here. Start watching these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? They ain't gonna remain open. That never does. There's no such thing as a support. There's nothing like that. Equal lows and equal lows get attacked day in, day out, day in, day out, right? Let's see. Can you just shoot through this? Easy. There ain't gonna be any issues for that. For the price to do that. But we're building something. Building. Engineering liquidity, right? I always say that. I like. Watch 5-minute chart on GU. Euro is not too isn't too interesting for me. EU what pound dollar watch the 5-minute chart there. If you guys show up to these streams day in day out, you're gonna understand. 5-minute inversion there. And will this get inverted? It probably will. That just kills the whole idea of going short. It didn't. So shorts are still valid here. Am I interested in participating in this? Nope. Nope. Thank you. I'm gonna have to go as well. We have some colleagues departing today from the office. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say goodbye, say farewell, say good luck, give them a big hug and everything. So that's the nice part of working and having a proper job, let's say, right? Yes, I'm trading. Yes, I'm with you guys yes, I'm trading. Yes, I'm with you right now, guys, right? But I have a job. I work at a forex broker. And we have an office right behind these big monitors, right? So some nice stuff happens from time to time in the office. But sadly, we have a few people leaving this and next week because we're kind of downsizing, because we're going away from retail, more into corporate business. We don't need that many people because of that, because it's going to be a lot less clients, but with more balances, which makes it quite interesting for us, right? So yeah, gonna say farewell to a few people. And then I'm gonna be back on Discord. I'm not gonna go live on YouTube. I'm gonna give people on Discord some love. So yeah, gonna go say farewell to a few colleagues. Have a 15-20 minutes very warm and nice time with them. And then I'm gonna be live on Discord. And during that, my only interest is shorts, right? Especially if the structure remains like we are right now in consolidation. If this remains, my interest initially is here. After that, we're gonna make decisions. Okay? And if that's fine with you, that's fine with me. And I'm gonna see you on Discord, guys.